Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you'll be entered into a monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000, and who can use that nowadays? Back to the start of the show, we have this gorgeous 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus. Under the hood, you're going to find the award-winning 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It is shown in the gorgeous, brilliant black crystal pearl, which pairs beautifully with that chrome body molding, and you do have 17-inch aluminum wheels on here. This vehicle comes with all sorts of great optional equipment, including the driver convenience group and power sunroof. We're going to take you through the interior quickly, but if you have any additional questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock lock. You have power doors on both sides, as well as a power tailgate. So you can use the remote to open these, or of course you can use the handles, and you can open them and close them at any point in their travels. So as we head on inside, you'll notice a beautiful two-tone interior. You have power mirrors, windows, and locks. The very back windows power tilt out as well. And then as we head inside, your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support. They are gorgeous leather, and the front seats are heated. On your steering wheel, it is leather wrapped and heated as well. Cruise control on your right, on your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection, and behind my fingers there you do have audio-mounted controls allowing you to change the station source and volume. Headlight options to the left, and you do have a tilt and telescopic capability on your steering wheel. 104,946 kilometers on here currently, and you have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that with your sales advisor. Your shifting area is up and out of the way, giving you plenty of room in your center console. And then you have your entertainment system, so AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options, and then you have your Bluetooth and hands-free, of course. For your media selections, you have a hard drive in here, a CD player. You can also connect through Bluetooth or auxiliary, and then you have your just a few more options on the right. You also have a backup camera in here, and then moving on down, you have the manual buttons for your climate. You do have dual zone climate control, and then you also have rear climate, and then you have the manual buttons for your heated seat and steering wheel. So you have two 12-volt outlets in your center in the top portion, two large cup holders, another portion back here, and then behind here you have a pull-out drawer for additional storage and two cup holders, which gives great access for that second row. I'll just give you a quick pan through here. On the passenger side, everything's in great condition. Locking glove compartment down below, up above additional space, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters. Here you have a built-in mirror to keep an eye on any back passengers, and then the controls for your power sunroof as well as your power doors. You can reach them from the top console as well. So as we head into the back, this is a full stow and go unit, so all the seats do stow right down into the ground. That's where that drawer would come out, again giving you great access. There's a shot of that sunroof. You do have storage above here, as well as they can control their climate from back here as well. Power windows in the second row. And then these seats do tilt forward to give you a second option for access to the third row, which currently you have a second set of tires back here. And as we head into the back, the tailgate lifts up easily, and the wind is actually opening this bag for us. So this is a winter set of tires in great condition. And you would see just how much space you would actually have. So you have actually two portions of storage along the top roof area. And then to close the tailgate, you can just hit that button. So that was just a very quick tour. Definitely come on down and check this out for yourself. The vans have a ton to offer, and if you haven't seen that STOW N GO in action, it's definitely something to check out. If you have any questions, again, we'd love to help you out. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.